F-22 Super Cruise Maintainer Golden Contract. The United States Air Force has reaffirmed its commitment to air superiority by awarding a contract worth up to $1.5 billion to Pratt Whitney. This contract focuses on the ongoing maintenance of the F-119 engine, the heart of the F-22 Raptor stealth fighter. The three-year agreement is designed to improve the operational readiness of the more than 400 F-119 engines already manufactured and in active service. This step reflects the U.S. Air Force's commitment to maintaining the performance of its F-22 fleet amidst the challenges of aging and operational intensity. For years, the F-22 has been known as a fighter with exceptional capabilities, but has been plagued by high operational costs and relatively low availability. This contract is expected to provide a strategic solution to address these two key issues. Pratt & Whitney will introduce a new maintenance approach claimed to reduce operational costs while improving engine reliability. However, the actual effectiveness of this effort remains a matter of scrutiny and debate among defense analysts. The F-119 engine itself has a long history, with a cumulative total of over 900,000 flight hours. With the dual-engine configuration of each F-22, workload and wear become challenges as flight hours increase. On average, each F-119 engine has logged over 2,250 operating hours, a significant number for a high-performance fighter. This situation demands a smarter, data-driven maintenance approach. The core of this new contract is the implementation of the usage-based lifting program. This program utilizes real-time data from engine operation to determine maintenance needs more accurately and efficiently. With this usage-based approach, maintenance is no longer solely dependent on fixed schedules. This is expected to extend engine life while reducing aircraft downtime. Pratt & Whitney Military Engines President Jill Albertelli emphasized the importance of this contract to the F-22's combat readiness. She stated that improving reliability and reducing life cycle costs are the company's top priorities. She stated that maintaining the F-22's combat superiority is not only about cutting-edge technology, but also about long-term operational sustainability. This contract demonstrates that commitment. Historically, the F-119 holds a special place in the world of military aerospace. It was the first engine specifically designed for a fifth-generation fighter. Its maiden flight took place in the early 1990s using the YF-22 and YF-23 demonstrator aircraft. However, the engine did not actually enter service with the U.S. Air Force until more than a decade later. These delays were due to global geopolitical dynamics, including the collapse of the Soviet Union. This prevented potential foreign competitors from developing optimally. As a result, the F-119 had virtually no serious competition at the time. Even ambitious Russian engine projects, like the AL-41F, were halted before reaching full maturity. To this day, the F-119 remains the only truly new fifth-generation engine design in the Western world. The F-135 engine in the F-35 is essentially a further development of the F-119's technological foundation. Pratt Whitney's experience developing the F-119 was a key reason the company was again entrusted with the F-135 project. This technical relationship demonstrates continuity of design and expertise. However, compared to newer fifth-generation engines, the F-119 is considered less advanced in several aspects. Its thrust-to-weight ratio is lower than that of the F-135, the Chinese-made WS-15, and the Russian-made AL-51F. This difference stems from the F-119's initial design philosophy. This engine was specifically designed to support sustained supersonic flight at high altitudes. The F-119's architecture uses a higher aspect ratio compressor to manage large airflows at high speeds. This approach differs from the F-135's more multi-role flexibility. This reflects the conceptual differences between the F-22 and the F-35. While the F-35 is not designed for extended supersonic flight, supercruise is the core of the F-22's existence. Through this $1.5 billion contract, the U.S. Air Force appears committed to ensuring the F-22's supercruise capability and air superiority are maintained. Amid a changing global threat landscape, investment in the F-119 engine is key to maintaining dominance in the skies.